Want to make money online and achieve financial freedom? In this video, we'll show you how to get started with affiliate marketing, a proven way to earn passive income from the comfort of your own home. Learn the secrets to success in affiliate marketing, from choosing the right products to promote to building a loyal audience and increasing your conversions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, this video will provide you with actionable tips and strategies to help you succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. So, if you're ready to start making money online and living the lifestyle you've always dreamed of, watch this video now and take the first step towards financial freedom. With a focus on promoting high-converting products, building an audience, and leveraging content effectively, you will achieve your goal. It's all about testing, learning, and adapting quickly to maximize results. Along the way, I'll share insights, successes, and lessons to inspire others on their own affiliate marketing journeys. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where you earn a commission by promoting products or services and driving sales through your unique affiliate links. It's an accessible way to make money online, requiring minimal upfront investment and no need to create your own products. By partnering with established brands and leveraging digital platforms, anyone can start earning from their audience. Its popularity continues to grow due to the flexibility it offers, allowing people to work from anywhere and scale their income over time. With dedication and the right strategies, affiliate marketing has become a proven path to financial freedom for many. Many people start affiliate marketing with the misconception that it's a quick and effortless way to make money. In reality, success requires time, strategy, and consistent effort. One common challenge is finding the right niche, as it's crucial to choose an area that balances personal interest, audience demand, and profitability. Another hurdle is selecting the right products or services to promote, as not all affiliate programs offer competitive commissions or high-quality offerings. Beginners often underestimate the importance of building trust with their audience and creating valuable content that genuinely solves problems. Overcoming these challenges involves research, testing, and the willingness to learn and adapt as the market evolves. If you're finding this content helpful, take a moment to like the video, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies on making money online. Your support helps me continue creating valuable content just for you. Now that you've liked, shared, and subscribed, let's get back to the video. To get started with affiliate marketing, begin by choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise while also having demand in the market. Research topics where you can add value and identify gaps that competitors may have overlooked. Finding the right affiliate programs involves looking for networks or brands that offer competitive commissions, reliable payment methods, and products that resonate with your audience. Start by exploring popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share Asali, or CJ Affiliate, and look for niche-specific programs that match your chosen area. Building an audience requires creating consistent, high-quality content that solves problems or answers questions related to your niche. Use platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or a blog to share tutorials, reviews, or tips. Optimize your content for search engines using relevant keywords to increase visibility and attract organic traffic. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking questions, and sharing personal experiences to build trust. Focus on email marketing to nurture your audience further, offering exclusive content or deals to keep them connected. One inspiring success story comes from a marketer who started with nothing but a passion for fitness and a laptop. They chose the health and wellness niche, began creating workout guides and reviewing fitness products, and shared their journey on a blog and social media. In the first few months, results were slow, but they remained consistent, learning from analytics and audience feedback. Over time, they discovered the power of email marketing and SEO, which brought in steady traffic and conversions. After a year of persistence, their affiliate income surpassed their full-time job, allowing them to work on their passion full-time. This story highlights how patience, adaptability, and continuous learning can turn a small effort into a life-changing opportunity through affiliate marketing. To succeed in affiliate marketing, focus on choosing a niche that you're passionate about and that has a proven demand. This will help you connect with your audience and create authentic content that resonates with them. Build a strong online presence through consistent, high-quality content that provides value and solves problems for your target audience. Use SEO strategies to ensure your content ranks well on search engines, driving organic traffic to your site. Diversify your traffic sources by leveraging social media, email marketing, and paid ads to reach a wider audience. Another effective strategy is to build trust with your audience by being transparent and honest in your reviews and recommendations. People are more likely to make purchases based on authentic opinions, so avoid overly promotional language and focus on providing real value. Partnering with established brands or choosing high-converting affiliate programs can also make a big difference in your success. These programs typically offer better commissions and support, making it easier to achieve your goals. Engaging with your audience through comments, emails, and social media also helps build relationships and loyalty, which can lead to more conversions over time. Don't forget to stay updated on industry trends and continuously educate yourself so you can adapt to changes and seize new opportunities in affiliate marketing. Lastly, always track and analyze your performance to understand what works and continuously optimize your strategies for better results. By combining these strategies, you can create a strong foundation for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Black Friday is the perfect time to start affiliate marketing because it's one of the biggest shopping events of the year, with millions of people actively looking for deals. Consumers are already in a buying mindset, making it easier to drive sales and earn commissions. Many affiliate programs offer special promotions, higher commissions, and exclusive deals during this period, giving you more opportunities to attract and convert an audience. The increased online traffic during Black Friday can boost your visibility and help grow your platform faster. It's also an ideal time to test and refine your strategies while leveraging the holiday season's momentum to maximize earnings. In this video, we explored the foundations of affiliate marketing, highlighting its accessibility and potential as a way to earn online income. We discussed common misconceptions and challenges, like finding the right niche and products, and shared actionable strategies for getting started, such as selecting profitable programs and building an engaged audience. A powerful success story showed how persistence and learning can lead to significant results, proving that success is achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort. With the right mindset, tools, and consistency, affiliate marketing offers a rewarding path to financial freedom. I'd love to hear your thoughts on today's video, so feel free to leave a comment with your ideas, questions, or experiences. Your feedback helps create a community where we can all learn and grow together. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and strategies on making money online. There's plenty of valuable content waiting to help you on your journey, so let's keep the conversation going and achieve success together. If you're ready to start your affiliate marketing or online business journey, check out the link in the description to create your account and take advantage of the Black Friday deals available now. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to kickstart your success. If you want to dive deeper into the world of affiliate marketing and learn step by step how to build a successful business, join Smart Wealth Academy on Patreon. You'll get exclusive, in-depth content and personalized guidance to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. Check out the link in the description to become a Patreon member today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps me create more valuable content for you. Thanks for being part of the community.